Hi YouTubers and friends and family, RV Debs here. It's Tuesday afternoon, about, I don't know, 5 p.m. maybe. And it's about, I'd say close to 100 degrees. Definitely a hot day. If not 100, then just under it. Maybe even more, I don't know. Not really much more. Blah, 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 blah. So, over there at the community center, all day today they were testing for COVID-19. I didn't know that until later, and Kathy told me that they have an oral test, that it's not nasal. I think if it's oral, I would take the test. I didn't know though, so that's the way that went. I don't keep up with all the towns going on, I guess. It's getting, yeah, it's very hot in the sun. Come on. Come on, Rose. I picked a few more okra off of our plant. I have enough now for a nice dish of okra. So that sounds good. Come on, girls. Come on, Rosie. Okay, I was gonna go to Stanford, which is where our Walmart is, but Kathy wasn't feeling good today, so we decided not to go. It's just, you know, sometimes happens. So she rested. Look at all these beautiful new ones coming out. It's just perpetually giving us okra. Yeah. And there's, I think these are squash. There's Rosie over there. Lily's always the last to go home. What's neat about the okra plant is they have these flowers that come out. Isn't that wild? And then all those are going to be beautiful okras soon. Yeah, it's really cool. What do we got in here? I don't know. I think those are the acorn squash. More okra flowers. 3 of them. Hey, Lily. Lily, come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Too hot out here. Come on. I guess the tomato plant didn't go too good. Let me get my okras. There they are. Gonna add those to my other ones. This is my favorite time of the year. This is my favorite time of the day. Time of the day. Sunset. So pretty. So nice. Very warm day. It hit 100 today, and it's going to be hitting 100 for the next few days. Okay, it's not 110, but it's still hot. We had the COVID-19, I think I already said this, but they were set up over there at the community center today, and Kathy said they did oral tests. That would be much simpler than up your nose. I don't know. I'm going to find out. Come on, Rosie. Rosie, come on. Come on, girl. She just sits there. She'll come up. Come on, Rosie. Looks pretty out, doesn't it? Rosie. I guess she doesn't want to come. This way, Lily. Come here. This way, Lily. Dog barking over there. Come on, Lily. Come on, little one. Okay. Time to go in. Get a nice evening. Hi, YouTubers. Friends and family. RV Debs here with the girls. And it's raining, but very lightly. And we're just sitting here outside, feeling it, because it's cool. Yeah. It is Thursday, about 3 in the afternoon. And I have been organizing. I'll have to show you what I organized in my bathroom. But, yeah, I fixed it. You know, the more organized you can be when you're in a tiny, when you're in a tiny home, the better. And I cleaned out one of my cabinets that had towels and dish towels and washcloths extra. I have been looking for, since I was in Alabama, before that, I had lost, I thought, a big case of movies and DVDs and CDs, all put in this one of those cases where you take off the cover and you know, put the CD in a, like a plastic thingy that, you know, big bunch of them, oh, so many. Anyway, I found that. I didn't know where it was, so I'm so glad I found that. Birds are flying. It's a light rain. It feels good. Pecan tree right there. Giant pecan tree. The birds are flying overhead. I don't know if you can see them. What's going on, Rosie? Is it raining? It's not so bad as long as thunder doesn't come in. She goes, I don't know. Well, I'm going to go inside, so I'll talk to you guys later. Good afternoon. I'm just hanging out here in the house. I thought I'd show you a few things that I've changed. I've been listening to music. I just finished this pretty mandala. I call it the love mandala because it's, the colors are all pink and red, purples. Here's one I cut out. So many. That's what I do here. And this is my desk. I hang my jewelry up like that. And you can see all kinds of art on the walls. Paintings that I've done. And I don't know if I've showed you guys the Jamaican boy. That's one of my paintings I did quite a while ago. At least, probably 5-6 years ago. And then my mermaids. Yep, there's 3 of these paintings that I did a long time ago, 2004. And my other mermaid, she pretty. These were my first paintings I ever did. I know I went big, didn't I? Here's some of my little cards I keep. Hi, Kathy. My subscribers send me cool. Their artwork or just pretty cards, and I always keep them. Kathy and Mark made me that butterfly. I love it. Here's another really cool handmade card by one of my sweet subscriber friends. Yep. I wanted to show you this closet. This used to be filled with towels, extra towels, dishcloths, washcloths, but I never even went in it. It was like extra, so I emptied it. I emptied it out, and now I have a place for odds and ends. I've got dish towels, my popcorn, my kind snack bars, you know, my bottle of wine that I haven't opened yet, some Prego, just extra stuff that I was like looking for places to put them. So yeah, and I'll show you why I did that. My kitchen's messy, so I won't go into that. Like, see this? This is something new. I got it yesterday at Walmart. It's 3 drawers. It used to be nothing like this. It was my bathtub. I don't use it. I shower at Kathy and Mark's just so I can have a big roomy shower. But anyway, I've showered in here. It's fine. It's just, I don't know. Anyway, I got a new thing. So I've got storage underneath. Lots of toilet paper. Towels, some clothes that I'm going to be putting my shorts and things like that in there, but it's just really opened up for more room, and got my dirty clothes over there. I'm pretty happy about it. Hello, Rosie. And then there's little Lily. She says, I'm hanging out. I know you are. Hi, hanging out, girls. With my little love butt. You my babies. You my other baby. Okay, I thought I would share a little bit extra stuff today. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.